Hello everyone. My name is Bilal Barawikaulihi, and in this video I will be explaining and demonstrating on one of the most important function in PLC programming. The timer times are essential when we want to introduce delay, control sequence, or create time-based automation in industrial system. Over the next 12 minutes, I will cover the basic concept a timer in PLC programming, the main type of PLC. Now, wait. The main type of timer including TON, timer on delay, TOF, time over delay, and pulse timers. Practical ladder diagram that use timer demonstration of the slider of circuit on the PLC trainer board. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how timer work and how it can be applied to control pneumatic system or any other automated process. Section 1. What is a timer in PLC 200 or 500? In simple words, a timer is an internal instruction in a PLC program that allows you to delay action or control how long an output remain active. You can think of it as digital stopwatch inside the PLC. And for example, a machine might need wait 5 seconds after pressing the start button before the motor begins running. A lamp might need to stay on for exactly 10 seconds before it turns off automatically. A pneumatic cylinder might need to extend, wait for a delay, and then retract. All of this scenario require timer. In ladder logic, timer are written in format such as this. Team T000 hashtag 5T. Here T00 is the timer address. and hashtag 5T is the present value of the timer. Wait. And section 2, tip of timer 500 800 TON, time on delay. This is at the most commonly used timer. It starts counting when the input condition become true. After the set time elapses, the output turn on. Example, a motor start 5 seconds after pressing the start button. TOF, timer of delay, the this timer works in the opposite way. When the input turn off, the timer start counting. The output remain on for the present time and then turn off. Example, a fan continues running for 10 seconds after the stop button is pressed. Pulse timer. This timer generates a pulse of fixed length. Once triggered, the output is active for the preset time, regardless of input condition. Once triggered, the output is active for the preset time regardless in output condition. In ladder diagram PLC, once triggered, out, the output is active for the preset time regardless of input condition. Example A, lamp turn on for exactly 5 seconds every time a button is pressed. Section 3, why timer are important? A 10 timer are critical because in real world industrial system process rarely happen instantly. Machines often need delay between operation. For example, in a pneumatic press, the cylinder should hold its position for a few seconds before retracting. In a conveyor system. The the belt should run for a fixed time after receiving a signal. In safety system, alarm may need to sound for a specific period. Without timer, we will only be able to turn device on or off immediately, which is not practical for many industrial applications. And section 4, example 1, simple simple timer on delay circuit. Wait. My brother contact me and yes, wait. Uh, let us look at the first example using Theo and timer on delay. In sequence, when the start button is pressed, nothing happens immediately. The timer begins counting for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the lamp turns on. The lamp remains on until the stop button is pressed. In ladder logic, start button NO contact is the input. Stop button normally close contact is used for safety. Timer tone is set to 5 seconds. The output coil is connected to the lamp. This example show how timer can create intentional delay. Second 5 example to timer of delay. 12 for 15. The second example use TOF, timer of delay sequence. When the start button is pressed, the lamp turn on immediately. When the stop button is pressed, the lamp turn on immediately. When the stop button is pressed, the lamp does not turn off right away. Instead, the timer starts counting and the lamp remains on for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the lamp turns off automatically. This example is very useful in application like ventilation fans or cooling system, where the machine needs to keep running briefly even after being stopped. And section 6, example 3, pulse timer circuit. The third example demonstrates the pulse timer sequence every time the start button is pressed. The lamp turn on. The lamp stay on exactly 3 seconds, no matter how long the button is pressed. After 3 seconds, the lamp turn off automatically. This is often used in picking machine, alarm automatic, signal where fixed output is required, section 2 application in pneumatic system. Now let's use a plate timer to a pneumatic system. Imagine we have a single acting pneumatic cylinder controlled by a solenoid. In sequence, pressing the start button, active the solenoid, and the cylinder extend. The cylinder remain extend for 5 seconds. Using a tone after 5 seconds, the solenoid deactivate and the cylinder retract. This sequence can be used in many industrial applications such as stamping, pressing, or clamping system. By adjusting the timer value, we can control how long the cylinder remain in position. Section 8 demonstration on the trainer board. Now let me demonstrate the timer circuit on the trainer board. I press the stop button. Nothing happened immediately, but after 5 seconds, the lamp turned on. I press start and the lamp turned on. Instantly, when I press stop, the lamp stay on for 5 more seconds before turning off. I press start and the lamp turn on for exactly 3 seconds, then turn off automatically. The solenoid active, the cylinder extend, wait for 5 seconds and the retract. Time in PLC are internal interaction, they introduce delay and time-based control. We study the trip, tone, and pulse. We create a circuit to delay start and stop and fix pulse output. Time are essential in almost every industrial automation system, whatever for delay, safety, or make process another. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation help your understanding PLC. Time and inspire you to experiment in your own project. See you next time in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.